EPLANT-Piping Basic tutorial. This video shows how to assign an access reference to a component with the objective to have this reference dimensioned in the isometric. This command is used. First, we select the component, in our case an elbow. Next, we select the point on the component that will be dimensioned with respect to the reference. It can be the center or one of the endpoints, and we can show it with this button. If the reference is an equipment, we can select it to get this name. Also, if it is inside an XREF file, as in our case, its name will be the reference. This text can also be any. Now we select a point to define a vertical axis that will be considered a reference for that component, in our case the vessel center. With this button, the reference is stored into the elbow. This very command can be used to show an existing reference as well as to delete it. We can always look at the reference data, but we need to select the corresponding component. On the contrary, the connectivity check command will show all the components that have a vertical reference defined. We are going to extract the isometric and see how the reference show up. We open the isometric just extracted. Here we can see the reference text. In this case, the equipment name and the dimension with respect to the component that contains this reference. But in this particular case, the drawing seems a bit confusing. For this reason, we delete it and place it again. Working inside an isometric, the reference is placed by the automatic dimension command in the two-point option. We select the elbow. Given that this component has an access reference defined, we can place the reference that best suits us and will be automatically dimensioned.